Stories are valued for many reasons: for the wisdom that they impart, teaching moral lessons, stories that provide historical significance, offer social critiques, and provide entertainment. Stories can also offer psychological insights that even help people learn and remember just through the act of telling that information in a story, and so a story can be valuable for that reason. All of these things are what makes a story valuable. However, a question that keeps popping up is what makes a story personally meaningful to someone? A writer says, "My story means a lot to me." But what does that mean? As a form of art, story is an expression of oneself. Therefore, a writer is an artist, and their story is a piece of art. A story is a culmination of a writer's past experiences, beliefs, values, perspectives, and feelings, and it's a visual narrative representation of that. In other words, a story is an extension of a part of you, and therefore the story means, in other words, represents that part of you. However, it's not a consciously known thing that that's happening. We just say, "I relate to that," or "I want that," "I agree with that, I think that's how we should be," "I believe that's good and that is bad." Art is an extension of oneself, and a story is no different. As an artist, if a story provides an authentic and daring representation of certain aspects of the author's self, such as beliefs, values, perspectives, feelings, past or present, it is likely to resonate with others who share those same aspects, and thus be representative and meaningful to others as well.